Hello everyone. Today here are some motivational thoughts. I hope you will like these precious thoughts. Moreover, you can get different paragraphs, letters, inspirational stories, beautiful poems created by me and valuable thoughts by famous personalities on this channel. Now, let's get started. Work until your bank account looks like a phone number. Everything you have ever wanted is sitting on the other side of fear. The question is not who is going to let me, it is who is going to stop me. Every strike brings me closer to the next home run. Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. Perfection is not attainable, but if we chase perfection, we can catch excellence. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence. The elevator to success is out of order. You will have to use the stairs one step at a time. People often say that motivation does not last. Well, neither does breathing. That's why we recommend it daily. Thank you.